Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And right now, I will be listening to a song from Thug Life. This a lot of songs have released, but this one was specifically requested. Apparently, it's amazing. So this song is called Anjuvana Puve, and I've been asked to listen to the reprise version. So I don't want to delay this any further. We don't have any video or anything for this, not even a lyric video. It's just the audio of this song. So the entire playlist of Thug Life has already released. I've not heard the full thing, but this was specifically requested, so I want to make a reaction for this one. And yes, the release is around the corner. Very, very excited. I am hoping tomorrow, day after. I'm recording this on 2nd of June, so I'm guessing from tomorrow onwards we will probably get the advance booking. So yes, excited to watch the film. Let's now listen to the song. So I have no reference. I've not heard the original one. I'm directly hearing the reprise one. The starting music itself is amazing. Wow. The beginning music itself was so intense. Very nice.
அஞ்சு வண்ண பூவே தாலேலோ லாலி நட்சத்திர பூவே காத்தாவாரே காப்பாவாரே ஏங்காதே வழி வழியெல்லாம் வெடி நடி வெடி நடி படுக்குழி படுக்குழி தோட்டம் எங்க பூவும் எங்க வாசம் எங்க அஞ்சு வண்ண பூவே காணோம் உன்னை விடாம ஓடி படாம ஆடி நிலாவ மீறி வினாவ சூடி பராரி போல பித்தேரி வாடி கொழாவி கூடி தொடாவி தேடி அனாதி பார்த்த அஞ்சு வண்ண பூவே அஞ்சு வண்ண பூவே உள்ளிருந்து பேசும் ஒத்த குரல் போதும் பிஞ்சு விரல் எங்க கொஞ்சம் குரல் எங்க அஞ்சுகமே கண்ணே அஞ்சுகமே கண்ணே.
Seems like a sad song. Wish I knew the meaning.
நந்தவனமோ ஓர் மலரோ தாய்மையின் குரலோ பேரருளோ உலகத்தில் இல்ல வட்ட வட்ட பாத சுத்துதையும் கால எங்க இனி போவ எங்க இனி போவ
That's actually very nice. That was actually quite nice. Okay, wait. Do I just a sec? I feel that is a very emotional song, and I actually thought that right now let me just listen to the Hindi version as well, so that because this is just an audio, it did not have the subtitles also, right? So, but I definitely want to know because I loved the emotion that it kind of evoke, and it feels like the song has a lot of emotion and depth, and it kind of makes you feel really heavy. So that's why I want to listen to the Hindi version as well. Let's see what's the actual lyrics, because the melody is really beautiful, and I don't know, it just the starting music. I think what stood out completely in the song was the beginning music with the violin, and I loved how after that, like that was the big music piece, and after that it was just the singer who was in the forefront, right? It was just the melody and the way the singer was singing, and the music kind of was in the background. But it blended so well, like there was this really, really amazing emotionality to the whole song, which that's why I want to listen to the Hindi version as well. So, yeah, let's just listen to that. This music portion. Like it's like a storm of emotions inside you, right? It slows down. Like so many emotions in this one music piece.
चांद के टुकड़े काले लो लाली आंखों के तारे खिज़ा बादल छाए मैं हूं ना बड़े बड़े पत्थर छोटे छोटे कांटे पाएगा तू रास्ते कहाँ है मधुबन कहाँ है खुशबू ढूंढेगा तू चांद के टुकड़े देखूं तुझे करेगा तू रक्स करेगा सितारों से भी ऊंचा उड़ेगा सवालों के हल तेरा जतन है ये याद रख पर सभी का अंत है जीवन यही है चांद के टुकड़े खुद से ही सारे हल तू ले प्यारा रुख तेरा तेरी मीठी बातें याद आते हैं
This sad song. And I think I feel this is from Kamal Hassan's point of view. This whole song, Chand Ka Tukda, is probably singing for STR, and is thinking about the past time, probably like the past times where their relationship was amazing. And then obviously from the trailer we know that eventually it gets soured, and why, of course, we will find out when the film releases, but that's the whole vibe I'm getting right now.
क्या ही सुख हो गुलशन हो क्या ही लोरी हो क्या दुआ हो जुल्मी जो दुनिया टेढ़ी दुनिया चकराएगा तू, कहाँ जाएगा तू, कहाँ जाएगा तू।
And it also sounds like a lullaby. You know, the whole song, the reprise version specifically, I've not heard the original. Even the ending, like the humming, it sounds like a lullaby. The music, everything. Oh, beautiful. That was a beautiful song. This one, that is why I think this one was specifically recommended to me. All right. Stop this. Amazing. That was a really beautiful song, and I think filled with a lot of emotion and also regret. Now that I heard the lyrics, like filled with a lot of love, but also pain and regret that, you know, what our relationship was and how it has come to this point where we hate each other, or the son hates him, like STR hates Kamal Hassan. I don't know what happens, because that's why, you know, the trailer intrigued me so much that, oh, I want to know what happened between these two. Like, that dynamics look so interesting. So obviously the wait is not too far long. We will just get the movie in this weekend. But yes, the emotions very well expressed in the song. Beautiful music. And I think how the relationship has been so stormy and rocky, that kind of gets captured in the first musical piece with the violin, because it's so chaotic, right? And that is the beauty of A.R. Rahman's musical prowess, obviously. Like, he captures those emotions with music really, really well. And if you have heard the entire album of Thug Life, because the whole music like has been released, let me know which is your favorite song from this album. This one was very much beautiful, something that I would listen to constantly, because these are the kind of songs I absolutely love. And yeah, cannot wait for this film to release. And also, I'm so happy because Tourist Family has finally released in OTT, I'm saying OTT. I cannot wait to watch that film. I'll watch it this week, and let me know if you want a review for that movie. Then I'll post it on my other channel. And yes, that was the reaction to Anju Vanupuve and Chand Ke Tukde, because I listened to both the songs, and hope you guys enjoyed watching this reaction. Let me know what are your thoughts on this song, and I will sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.